Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to practice the 4 ways that we use present continuous. We use present continuous for in the moment, right now. We use it for near future. And we use it with always, sometimes. And we use it for temporary actions. Let's practice with each one. We use continuous action for right now, in the moment. Right now, I am teaching. I am talking right now. He is listening. You are practicing. Let's practice. Is he cooking dinner right now?
Yes, he is cooking dinner right now.
What is she doing?
She's watching TV right now.
Are they playing soccer right now?
Yes, they are playing soccer right now.
Is he cooking right now? What is she doing? Are they playing soccer right now? Very good. We use continuous action with a description, if it's in the moment, with being. He's not silly all the time. He's not rude all the time. It's not his character. So I don't say he is rude. I say he is being. He's being rude only right now. He's being silly. Is he being silly?
Yes, he is being silly.
Is he being rude?
Yes, he is being rude.
Is he being silly? Is he being rude? Very good. He is not annoying all the time. It's not his character. I don't say he is annoying. I say he's being annoying only right now, in the moment. He's being annoying. He's being loud only right now. Is he being annoying?
Yes, he is being annoying.
Is he being loud?
Yes, he is being loud.
Is he being annoying? Is he being loud? Very good. He's a good boy. He's not selfish. He's not stingy all the time, only right now. Right now, he's being. He's being selfish. He's being stingy. He's being bad. Is he being stingy?
Yes, he is being stingy.
Is he being selfish?
Yes, he is being selfish.
Is he being stingy? Is he being selfish? Very good. We use continuous action to talk about the future, the near future. Example, I'm working today. In the future, I'm working tonight. Tomorrow, I'm working tomorrow. This week, next week. This month, next month, I'm working. Use the continuous action for future. Are you going to the office today?
Yes, I'm going to the office today.
Are you working tonight?
Yes, I'm working tonight.
Are you going to the office today? Are you working tonight? Very good. What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm working tomorrow.
Are you working this week and next week?
Yes, I'm working this week and I'm working next week.
What are you doing tomorrow? Are you working this week and next week? Very good. And the third time we use continuous action is with always. When you want to express a negative idea, something that's not good, something you don't like, we use the continuous action. Let's look at some examples. They're fighting. Fighting is a negative thing. It's not good. So I want to use the continuous action. They're always fighting. Remember, always is before the continuous action. After your action are. They're always fighting. Are they always fighting?
Yes, they're always fighting.
Are they always fighting? Very good. Complaining. Is she always complaining?
Yes, she's always complaining.
Is she always complaining? Very good. We use continuous action for things that are temporary in this period, in this part of your life. They're not permanent. It's only at this time in your life. They're temporary. We use continuous action. Are you still looking for a job?
Yes, I'm still looking for a job.
Are you looking for a job? Is she still looking for a job? Very good. Are you still taking Spanish class at the college?
Yes, I'm still taking Spanish class.
Are you taking Spanish class? Is she still taking Spanish class at the college? Very good. So remember, we use present continuous 4 different ways. We use it for things that are in the moment right now. We talk about the future. If we use always, but it's for something bad, it's a negative way. Use always. And for temporary actions, something that's only happening at this time in your life, not permanent.
Thank you for watching.
And if you want to improve your English and practice speaking more, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.